Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up a new Ledger Nano X for DeFi wallets. So the first step that you have to do is to unbox and charge your Ledger Nano X. So open the package and connect your Ledger Nano X to a power source using the USB or C cable. And then you can just have to charge until the battery icon shows full. Next is to install Ledger Live application and initialize. So download Ledger Live from ledger.com on your computer or phone. Once you're done, just open the application, select the setup as new device, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Next is to create PIN and backup recovery phrase. So you can set a 4 to 8-digit PIN on your device. You can write it down, the 24 recovery phrase shown in the device screen, and you make sure that you store it safely offline, never digitally. Next is to install DeFi wallet and connect to wallet. So in Ledger Live, go to the manager and install Ethereum app. So this is for most DeFi wallets. And then add Ethereum wallet, then connect to MetaMask or DeFi platform using Connect hardware wallet. Lastly is to verify setup and start using DeFi. So you can send a small test transaction to confirm everything works, and always verify transaction details on your Ledger screen before approving. So you're now ready for secure DeFi trading. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!